Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you had a lovely week last week and that you were able to enjoy some of. Oh, look who's here! My crazy dog wants to say hello to you too. She's very interested in this class. She's very curious about what we're all learning in this room. Um, anyways, I can't do it. I have to start over. Hi everyone, how are you today? So just want to talk you through what's going on for the week. I think you probably can figure it out by going on the module, but you're not going to see it until tomorrow. So I'm just going to talk to you for a quick minute. I am aware that the watch and listen female reproductive organs clip was problematic. So if you weren't able to access it, don't worry about it. Sometimes links die, and then trying to get them right didn't go my way this week, so I apologize about that. So you're going to move into male sexual anatomy and physiology, and you're going to watch a funny film. It's so funny. I think it's kind of funny. It's called Private Dicks, and it's about men and their penises, and the stuff they say is just pretty hilarious. And, frankly, it's stuff that we don't really get a chance to talk about because, it's all taboo and stigma in our culture. So, like Vagina Monologues, which you had last week, was sort of like kind of the yin to the yang of reading kind of the technical stuff. This film, Private Dicks, will contrast kind of the clinical kind of biological stuff that you'll be reading about male sexual anatomy. So that's what we're doing this week. I hope you're well, and I look forward to reading your posts. And yeah, that's all. Take care.